How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix Steam your Cloud Sync error. So if you're also facing such error on your cloud, then first thing what you want to do is just head over to your Steam application or via your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now simply tap on the Steam button over here and just head over to its settings. And once inside the settings, first thing I would want you to do is just make sure you have enabled this cloud Steam cloud option over here, which obviously helps for the synchronization of applications which supports it. And just click on the storage option over here and just click on this three dot icon over here, and always make sure that you have enough storage available as well. And what you want to do next is just click on this repair library, and once you do that, it will automatically reset all of your library and try to help in syncing of your games or applications. And next thing what you want to do is once you repair it, you have to restart your Steam application, and again head over to your Steam and just head over to your settings and just click on this download section now. And once inside here, just scroll all the way down and until you see the option called clear download case. So clearing the download case might resolve issues regarding downloading or restarting apps. So this also helps with the syncing of the application. So just tap on this clear case button over here, and once you confirm it, you have to restart your Steam application. You might as well just restart your PC in a whole as well. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed once and for all. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.